Let's explore how to get Rogers Xfinity content onto your Fire TV or Firestick. As of November 11th, 2025, this involves using Rogers Xfinity services. You'll use the Xfinity Stream app if accessing Xfinity services, or the Rogers Ignite app if you're in Canada using Rogers services. Direct casting isn't natively supported. Instead, rely on screen mirroring from a smartphone or tablet, or sideloading the Rogers Ignite app. We'll cover installation, activation, and streaming methods. Note the difference. Casting sends content directly, while mirroring shows your entire device screen, highlighting challenges like lack of native casting and location impacts. Keep in mind potential future improvements if the Rogers-Comcast merger is approved. First, install the Xfinity Stream app from the Amazon App Store on your Fire TV. Once installed, sign in using your Xfinity credentials. Rogers subscribers may need a linked account. To stream, begin playing content on your mobile device using the Xfinity Stream or Rogers Ignite app. Then, enable screen mirroring on your device and select your Fire TV. Alternatively, for Rogers Ignite users in Canada, sideloading the Ignite TV app onto Fire TV via downloader or casting from a web browser are commonly used. Be aware of potential latency and geo-restrictions, possibly requiring a VPN. Post-merger, expect potential consolidation into a Rogers Xfinity app. A stable internet connection is crucial for smooth streaming, and ensuring compatibility between your Fire TV, phone, tablet, and Rogers Xfinity account is important. Finally, verify your Rogers Xfinity account. You will need to activate via on-screen prompts or the Xfinity website.